In this tutorial, I want to show you how to generate a GIF animation from the analysis results in DIANA 10. While FX Plus could generate this kind of post-processing data in previous versions of DIANA, generating an animation is not included in DIANA 10. We will use a scripting and Python powerful capabilities during this tutorial. To get familiar with Python scripting in DIANA interactive environment, you can look at the other tutorial in my channel, Python scripting in DIANA. First, I need to perform some actions and get the corresponding comments. I will open a data file, a model of quarter of a beam. The beam is loaded on this surface, and this surface is fixed as a support. I will also open the analysis file. The analysis file includes many steps, and I'm going to make an animation from those steps. Here, you can see the comments of my actions. Now, I should choose the desired contour, set an upper and lower boundary, and a suitable viewpoint. I will choose total strain E1, and then go to result view setting, contour plus setting, specified values, and the upper one. You can see that I will have a pattern like this. Now I will choose the appropriate viewpoint, here ISO 1, and go to my history to find the comments. Let me make a new Python file and copy all these comments in this new file. Save it. You can see that I imported the model, analysis, load results, show view, and then the results, the limits are set here. This is where I say the program which load step I want, and then the viewpoint. The important thing here is that I should have all the load steps. So a bottleneck is to find the last load step. If we want to have a robust code, we should know the number of steps in our analysis. I will use the output file to get the number of steps. Let's look at the output file. You can see that in the output file, the last step is started with a step, and the next one is the number of steps. So, I can write a function here to get the last step. I added a function here. This little function will get the name of the output file as the input, and it will read the lines, find all the lines that the word S is included in them, and for the last one of them, it will return the word next to step. So we will have 224 if we run this command for this particular output file. Now let me modify my Python script and use this little function here. The output address is this, and DIANA 6428 account, and I will store the return number in last mechanical step. Also keep in mind that DIANA uses slashes for address. So I need to write a for loop from 1 to last mechanical step minus 1, because the last step is not converged here. And in this for loop, I will get the result for each load step. So I should use the iterator as the load step number. I will delete this and add strj. You can also delete this part because you don't need to specify load factor and load step together. So that is the point. And I need to get the screenshot for every step. So let me go back to DIANA. Say a screenshot. And in the command file, I will have the command. Paste it here. And I should name the file with the iterator number. So just put strj as the name and add 100 to it, so the pictures will be sorted in my folder. I can close the project after this. Now let's go back to DIANA, close this, and run the same script. Here, and run it. So the data file is loading with no problem. Then the analysis file will be loaded. And then, if I look at GIF making, you will see that each PNG is generated consequently. The pictures are all generated, and I have all the screenshots here, sorted by their names. And it took about 20 minutes to generate all of this. So now I can use images to GIF package. I found it in Python package manager. Here you can download it. And because I couldn't import any like external libraries in DIANA Python script, I will use this code separately after generating the screenshots. You can use this images to GIF as shown here. You need to import write GIF and also import image from PIL package. Then specify the OS directory, which you have all the pictures. Because my code is in the same directory, I just put a dot, and also the type of your pictures, maybe JPEG. Then you need this image in order to save the images in another variable, and then choose a name for your GIF and send all this file name, images, and the duration of each image to write GIF. Also, I'm using Spider to run this code, so I will just run this code. You can see that some information are shown, and then you should wait for the code to run. It took also about maybe 1 minute to get all these PNG files together, and we have animation.gif here. You can see that all the PNGs are attached together, and we have a nice animation of the deformation. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. I will put all the codes and also images to GIF package in the Dropbox folder, and you can find the address in the description of this video.